Welcome to Guided Meditation Voyage. Today we embark on a transformative journey of forgiveness, enabling you to release past burdens and embrace inner peace. Find a comfortable position, either seated or lying down. Gently close your eyes and take a deep breath in. Hold for a moment and exhale slowly. With each inhale, invite tranquility into your heart. With each exhale, release any lingering tension. Forgiveness does not mean forgetting what happened. It does not mean excusing someone's actions. It simply means releasing the weight of the past so you can move forward with lightness and grace. I release the past and embrace the present. I welcome peace and harmony into my life. Through forgiveness, I set myself free. Let these affirmations resonate deeply within you. Turn your attention inward, observing your breath as it flows naturally. Acknowledge any emotions that surface, be it anger, sadness, guilt, or hurt. There's no need to suppress or judge these feelings. Simply observe them with compassion, understanding that they are transient, like waves rising and falling in the ocean. Take another deep breath in, and as you exhale, allow the grip of these emotions to soften. Imagine yourself standing beside a serene river, its gentle current symbolizing the flow of time and the continuous journey of life. Bring to mind the person or situation you wish to forgive. Visualize them standing across the river. Observe any emotions that arise, acknowledging them without attachment. Envision a warm, golden light enveloping you, a light of love, healing, and compassion. With each breath, this light grows brighter, filling your entire being. Now, extend this radiant light across the river towards the person or situation. Silently affirm to yourself, I embrace inner peace. I choose to forgive and set myself free. The past no longer has power over me. And release pain and embrace peace. I am worthy of love, of joy, of healing. Forgiveness is not for them, it is for me. I am free, I am light, I am whole. As the golden light surrounds them, feel the heaviness lifting from your heart, replaced by a sense of lightness and liberation. Now, envision your higher self, the version of you that embodies complete healing and unconditional love, standing before you. They gaze at you with profound kindness and understanding. Listen as they gently say, "You have carried this burden long enough. It's time to release and be free." Breathe deeply, allowing their words to permeate your being, filling you with wisdom and serenity. Remember, forgiveness extends to yourself as well. Reflect on any self-judgment or guilt you've been harboring. Place your hand over your heart and affirm, "I forgive myself for everything. I allow myself to heal and grow." I am deserving of love and compassion. Feel the warmth of self-forgiveness washing over you, nurturing your soul. As you continue to meditate, feel your inner peace grow stronger with each breath. With every gentle inhale, calm fills you up. With every slow exhale, any tension or worry melts away. Give rest to your mind. Don't try to think, just be. Focus on this moment, on the stillness within you. Remember, forgiveness is the bridge between pain and peace. It is the path to your freedom. And you are not defined by what hurt you. You are defined by how you rise beyond it. Gradually, bring your awareness back to the present moment. Gently wiggle your fingers and toes. Roll your shoulders, releasing any remaining tension. Take one final deep breath in and exhale fully. When you feel ready, softly open your eyes. Embrace the freedom and peace that forgiveness brings. Carry this lightness with you, knowing that you have the power to release and heal. Thank you for joining me on this journey of forgiveness. May you continue to walk the path of peace and self-compassion. Namaste.